At Census, we believe value creation begins with wisdom about our assets. That's why we made commercial over-the-horizon beyond line of sight possible with the Centera 5 to unlock all the intelligence that comes with it. Assets that are hard to get to or time-consuming to observe now sit within our grasp. Then we found that the time between seeing and doing was simply too much, especially in the veg management use case. So we took what used to be months down to minutes with VegCense. We coupled LiDAR scanning, photogrammetry, and edge processing technologies to cellular connectivity so that as the drone sees, we see. Prompted with potential encroachment alerts by text message, email, and API integration with work order management software, asset owners can quickly become aware and prioritize threats to their organization's lifeblood. This is how we're working at Census to bring an end to "I didn't know" causing a catastrophe. Go faster, go further, and go smarter.